All right, hi friends. We're back again today and we're going to make a new fall wreath. We made another one for you not too long ago and we loved it. It was the hanging basket and it had the beautiful yellow sunflowers in it and it just looked very September to us. So we thought we'd make another fall wreath that had a little bit more of October accents, and we have all our supplies here. And we decided to go with a more neutral looking wreath this time instead of the normal orange and black and red and yellow fall colors. We just thought we'd take it a little bit softer on the fall approach. But we have our white plastic pumpkins here, and then we have our soft dusty leaves. They almost feel like a lamb's ear, but it's not lamb's ear. So these dusty leaves, and we've cut these. This is what they look like when you buy them at the store. We bought these from Walmart for just a few dollars. And then we have some cotton balls or cotton, and we have just some kind of baby's breath looking flowers and a couple of daisies and some other white as filler flowers, and we're going to put it all together. Okay, so we're going to start by putting in the greens first. We have some lamb's ear here, and then we have some dusty greens, and they're both velvety soft, and they give this kind of really light green color, which I like. So we're going to start with those first and place these in. And I might even need to cut these some more. It looks like it's going to be a little too long. Alright, so here's what we have so far. I don't really mind seeing the grapevine wreath come through, and these are really big leaves, so they do cover a lot, but I think I want a little bit more greenery in here, so I'm going to cut some more greenery off of here and fill it in and kind of flatten out these leaves because there's a little too much height here that I don't like. So I'm gonna work on that next. All right, here's what we have with the extra leaves stuck in. Still, we have a lot of height. I haven't needed to hot glue anything down, but I think I'm going to take our floral wire here, and I think I'm going to try wiring down some of these leaves just so I don't have so much height and they can flatten out a little bit. So I'll do that next. Okay, now we have wired in some of our greenery, and I've already placed the first pumpkin, and I'm going to start placing the other two pumpkins, and I think I'll spread them out around this wreath, and so we'll make it more of a round wreath rather than having one central focal point. So I'll do that now. Alright, so I still haven't needed to hot glue anything down yet, but I did kind of mess around with the pumpkins a little bit to make sure that they were in a secure place and when I stuck them in. So I think I like these pumpkins here. It's pretty evenly spread out, which I'm happy with. So we'll start putting in our baby's breath and some of our accessory flowers. Alright, so I've placed all of the accessory flowers in, and I think I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out. So now I have cut the cotton balls and I'm going to insert the cotton just all around the wreath. Okay, so we are done with our project. We ended up taking out the daisies because it looked too much like spring, and we really wanted this to be a fall looking wreath. So here's our finished product, and I really like it. So we're going to go hang it up on the front door right now. And in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, like below, subscribe, comment. We love to hear from you. If you make this project, we want to see how yours turned out, hear how yours went. And I think that's about it. So until next time, this is Megan from Pineapple Outfitter.